Hi guys, it's Bobby and Snowflake too.
An oxford was my pet dog.
Yep, Snowflake has a pet dog named who?
Ollie.
Ollie, like my cousin's dog. Okay, I'm gonna make something, and I'll put this down the shoulder. Snowflake, you can plug your pet, okay?
Okay.
But you need to take the blanket off. Hey, come back. There's Snowflake the elf cat. Okay, you're making people cry. You're gonna break it. You also have, and then I'll make you guys something to eat.
We want to eat. Yeah, let's go. Uh-oh. Bobby.
Snowflake, what's wrong?
Uh-oh, what's wrong? My Bobby's in the kitchen. Bobby!
Okay, you guys, here's my kitchen area. And I'm making Snowflake's bottle now. Because Snowflake is hungry. And I'll give the dog some food too, separately. So yeah, since Snowflake is playing with the dog, I will blend Snowflake's milk.
Bobby!
What's wrong, Snowflake?
Well, Ollie, I was playing with him and hugging him, and then he started crying. Then he started biting his paw, and then he started doing this, and then he fell off the table.
Uh-oh. Poor Snowflake the elf. She seems sad about Ollie. We should check on him. Let's go and check on Ollie. You guys, let's go and check on Ollie.
Yes, I don't want him to be sad.
This is
where me and Ollie will play
at the table, then Ollie fell off the edge. Are you okay, Ollie? Nope. Uh-oh, he fumbled. No. Snowflake. Well, here's the doctor. Hey, how can I help you? Good, I'm with my dog Snowflake and her dog Ollie.
Yeah, I want him fixed.
Oh, you want him fixed? Oh, I'll check him out. His ears seem good. Uh-oh, let's check his paw. His paw has fleas. That comes right off. Well, the net off. There, now it's off, and then I'll check his thing here. Happy, sad, and then it comes to happy and sad. Oh, it's a sad face. So Snowflake, honey, can you get your blanket for the dog?
Yes.
Thank you, Snowflake. Now we need this on the table, so you mind coming here? Thank you, Snowflake, honey. And thank you, Snowflake the elf. Grab the dog. Thank you, Snowflake the elf. Then I'll put this on the table to both you and the dog will sit on. There we go. Now the dog would like it. Do you want to sit with it, Snowflake?
Yes.
Okay, Snowflake. So the dog needs to rest. Now they're both gonna rest. Well, first I'll take Snowflake, and then the dog would rest. You know what? Probably I'll let Snowflake sit and she don't be sad. And then I'll sit with some because Snowflake would be up. Thanks for watching part 1 of the dog. And then part 2 is coming right up next. You guys, look what I got today. I got a wee doll. Probably it wants to be set up on the table. Let me see. Hi, what's your name? Well, she's not talking. Probably she would eat. You wanna eat? She didn't eat the soup. It's still on there. Probably she needs to wake up still. Okay, she's not doing anything. Probably she needs her milk bottle. Probably a bottle. It's in the kitchen. Okay, this is her milk bottle. Here's the milk. Let's see if it disappears. It's not going away. Oh, she just fell. Probably she needs to come alive with my thing. Come alive. Little elf, please come alive. Oh, she's a fussy little one. She's a little fussy one today. She's a little one today. At least she needs something. Here, I'll show you one of her stuff it came with. So this little reborn elf came with a milk cup, a blanket, and a backpack with what on it? With a sun hat, and her tablet looks like, and the Dark Stuffing book, probably, for her to read, and a note to calm her down. What it says, Snowflake's the elf's schedule. When she gets angry, use her blanket, or when she gets upset, use her blanket. When you take her blanket away, calm her down with a pacifier, calm her down with a nap, or rub her on the back to soothe her, calm her down. Then hold her in your hand, and then make sure she calms down. So this is a note for her, and this is her backpack. And then one elf. Uh-oh, looks like she's getting a little fussy, guys. So I'm just getting this and see we can try to eat. So here, I'll put the tablet on this is what she looks like. Are you hungry? Okay, looks like she's hungry then. Here, I'll try to put it. Here, I'll put it right here, and then Then you guys could see what we're doing. Then let's take care of her and see what she does. Well, this is what she came with, a broken pacifier thing, but still works. So first of all, we're gonna try something. We're gonna let her choose. So we're gonna try see what she needs. So let's see what she wants. Well, we don't want sun in her eyes, so we need to put this on her. Wow, looks like she's really angry. Looks like I have to calm her down by feeding her. Let's try to feed her, you guys. Whoa. Let me try to feed her probably. So the note says if she tries to chew on the wires, she'll be growing and growing. We don't want that to happen. So if she eats on that, she'll be tall. So yeah, let's try to feed her chicken noodle soup. So when I put it on the hat last time when I told her something. Oh, she doesn't want the Dark McStuffins book. Well, you know what? Reborn Elf. Dark McStuffins don't like crying reborns. She wants them to be happy. So let's try to, well, let's try to put the hat on. Oh, she doesn't like the hat. That's right. Let's try the people chicken noodle soup. Wait a minute. I know that probably she needs a name to make her happy. She needs a name. Do you think we all should try to give her a name? Huh? Well, she's wearing pink. She is an elf. She likes being cranky. Probably her name should be not Angry Elf. Her name should be Angry Elf. Her name should be Crying Elf. And then her name should be a crabby baby elf. I know, Snowflake. Okay, looks like she's done. Okay, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, comment, and notifications. Bye, you guys.
You guys are awesome.